This is why I had to hop on here. This is exactly why I had to hop on here. Hey friends, I just want to get on here and tell you guys today about my closing for my client who went from renting to first-time home ownership. Her situation is very unique. She actually co-signed for a home for her parents to help them in their journey to home ownership first. And getting her qualified it wasn't hard. She's a teacher and just, like great income, great credit score, all those good things. It was getting her qualified for a first-time home buying program that also offered her some down payment assistance. We went through 2 lenders, and our second lender was able to get the job done efficiently and with ease, despite so many challenges. This property had lost it's a condo in Long Beach, lost its FHA status like 2 days with us into this transaction. So needless to say, it was challenging, but we were able to get a single unit approval with the help of our amazing lender, Tanya Gordon. Shout out to Tanya Gordon. Tanya, you did an amazing job. But more importantly, what I just find to be so amazing, because normally I will do like a video of me handing her keys and you getting to see what that experience was like. This one deserves some explanation. In addition to the challenges that were laid out before her, she had actually identified the unit above the unit that she purchased because it was turnkey. Our offer was not accepted because she was beat out, and there was just like a hard number that it was going to be, and that's what it was going to be. The unit below had been a rental and it needed some TLC, but the location was still the same. She really wanted to be in Long Beach, and for those of you that know that I grew up in Long Beach, anytime I get to work out here, it's delightful to me. I get to come out here and just reminisce and like see my old stomping grounds. So I delivered the keys to her. What else was I going to tell you? This is why I had to hop on here. This is exactly why I had to hop on here. Why I had to hop on here was because as I was delivering her, Danielle Edney Holmes bag and welcome home book and her keychain and all of like the swaggy things that are like make you so happy when you finally get your yes, I got a message from escrow letting me know that my client was going to be getting a very healthy refund check because of her down payment assistance. And that refund check is enough to do some significant renovations to make that property just as beautiful as the unit above that she had originally wanted. So the moral of the story is that when you trust the process and you align yourself with people that have the best intentions for you and want to see you win, and you yourself want to win, and you trust that even though things have in the transaction, that is, there are peaks and valleys, things that go up, they go down, they go left, they go right, that when you have trust in the process and you are really, really ready in your mind to be a homeowner, and I'm speaking to the first-time home buyers right now, not speaking to the seasoned buyer, the buy-up buyer. No, I'll talk to you another time. I'm speaking to the first-time home buyers who are out there, who are feeling nervous, who are feeling scared, who are feeling like, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what to expect. What if I lose it all? You're not going to lose it all, because I won't let that happen. Not only that, in this particular case, not only did you not lose a dime, you actually got some cash back in your hand so that you can do some renovations to a home and make it your own, really make it your own. This transaction is one of my favorites. It's never like the big, beautiful house. Those are great. I love you guys too. This time for me is about somebody who is so selfless to give to her parents before she gave to herself, winning. Good always wins. Joy always wins. Love always wins. Being a good person always wins. And that, my friends, is who Danielle Edney Holmes is. And if you want to work with me, I want to work with you. Hit me up, call, text. When you feel ready to make that leap, I'm here. Oh, wait, one more thing. Get this. My client was so thoughtful, showering her with gifts and all these wonderful things. And you know what? She bought me a gift. Let me show you what she bought me. I tell her about my real estate, like things that I just do when I'm out here in these real estate streets, that usually every time I arrive to a listing, like I have to go to the restroom. So I always have tissue in my bag, right? So she got me some Kleenex. She got me some Cottonelle wipes, Clorox wipes, oil wipes. You know, thank God I'm still oily at this age. You know, that skin. And she got me some Aquaphor. Lips are of the utmost importance for me. Shout out to Muse Apothecary and the Ritual Mist. Iron in a bottle so that I'm not wrinkly and I'm looking like crisp when I get out the car to show a home. And you know what, friends? At the end of the day, thoughtfulness wins. The agent, bless his heart. The seller, bless his heart too. Didn't make it easy. Did not make it easy. But I'm not one to disparage anybody, so I'm not going to do that. But what I'm going to say is that when you go through something as significant as helping somebody to buy their first home, and you experience those challenges, and you have people who are unpleasant at times, y'all don't bother me. You do not bother me. I wish you well. I wish you success. As far as the agent is concerned, I wish you multiple listings and sales. That's it. You know, like, even when somebody resorts to name calling, I don't really know what to say to that from a professional like standpoint. Like, it's okay. You know why? Because I'm here to advocate for my clients. So you can say what you want. You can behave any way that you want. That's okay. We experience crazy things every single day in this business. What I'm here to tell you is that my client didn't feel any of that. I took it all. And she got some money back. I feel like this has been just a delightful story for me to share. I would love to work in Long Beach again. So if you're looking to live in Long Beach, you're looking to make a move in Long Beach, it's my joy to come out here. But if you're looking to live somewhere else closer to LA, you guys know that I live there and I'm working there as well. Have a great day, everybody. I'm wishing you all happy holidays. Bye.